Dr. Blumenthal back with you with Natural Transplants in the Bethesda office, and you won't recognize him when you see his before pictures, but this, believe it or not, is Anthony. We'll superimpose the before pictures in a few minutes, but Anthony, you, as we just talked about, you look like a transformed new person, man. Congratulations.
Dr. B, hello again.
Yeah, man.
Super excited to be, at this year mark from the surgery.
Yeah.
It honestly is amazing. As you can see, I'm smiling, got a new haircut.
Yeah.
It honestly feels and looks so good.
It's awesome.
It's amazing. Definitely have like a whole new confidence and feeling really good.
That's so cool, man. Talk a little about, just briefly, about how the year went. Some parts were a little bit of a struggle as sort of the hair comes in. It can be some frustrating times, a little anxiety from time to time. How was the year in general?
Yeah, so in the beginning, at least the first few weeks are definitely tough. That's kind of like when your body, your head is going through the worst.
Yeah.
But obviously, you were great explaining all those things to be prepared. And then after that, yes, it's definitely a waiting game. In the beginning, you just have to be a little patient.
Yeah.
The new hairs are kind of growing, falling out again.
Yeah.
Some scabs, skin stuff. But once you get past that point, you really start to notice some change. After that, it was just kind of getting used to the new hair and how to style it. And like we mentioned before, the texture might be a little different, but
the texture is going to match the hair in the back, because that is that hair. It may not be as soft as the previous hair in the front, but
But even still, just like the volume that it added and the sections that we wanted the most.
Yeah.
Great. Like in pictures, I'm not like worried about like, oh, let me get on this one side
so
it like looks okay. Now I'm just like posing, smiling.
That's awesome, man. And the girlfriend likes it, you said?
Oh my God, yeah. My girlfriend, like, we've looked back at pictures and she was just like, it's just amazing.
Yeah.
And, like, she compliments my hair all the time.
That's awesome.
So it feels really good.
That's so cool, man. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna have you just sort of do a little posing here. Just kind of look down for 2 or 3 seconds, and we'll match up the before pictures alongside, and then just look to either the left or the right, pick a side, and then just turn. Yeah, that's good. And then turn to the side, and then turn to the other side. Awesome. And you cut your hair. That's pretty short on the sides. Can't tell the scar on the back?
Yeah, I think it was like a 2. My barber did. I just like looking a little sharper. And she honestly hardly even notices the scars. Like pretty much, you can't even really see it, to be honest.
That's awesome.
So yeah, I don't have to worry about that. I'm basically back to the kind of haircuts I was getting before. Just have like more length on the top to kind of style. So it's awesome.
Man, it kicks ass. Anthony, so pleased, so happy for you. You look like a new person. Congratulations, man. It looks fantastic. Fantastic.
Dr. B, thank you so much again.
You are welcome. Love it. All right, man. Thanks for doing this. Thanks for sharing your story with everybody. Appreciate it.
Of course, no problem.
All right, man. Take care. Bye-bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.